Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at NordPass, a password manager that promises to keep your online life secure and organized. If you're ready to say goodbye to password chaos, stick around. And remember, the link to NordPass is in the description below. So what is NordPass? Simply put, it's a password manager designed to help you store, manage, and generate strong passwords. Developed by the same team behind NordVPN, NordPass aims to make online security easy and accessible for everyone. Now let's dive into some of the standout features of NordPass Password Vault. Your passwords are stored in a secure vault protected by a master password. Only you have access. Password generation: NordPass can generate strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts, helping you stay safe online. Cross-platform support. You can use NordPass on various devices, whether you're on a desktop, mobile, or browser. Secure password sharing. Easily share passwords with trusted friends or family members without compromising security. Data breach scanner. NordPass will alert you if any of your stored passwords have been compromised in a data breach. Next, let's talk about the user experience. Setting up NordPass is straightforward. Once you create your master password, you can start adding your accounts quickly. The interface is sleek and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to navigate, even if you're new to password managers. NordPass offers a free version with essential features, but for advanced options like password sharing and additional security tools, you might want to opt for their premium plan. The pricing is reasonable, especially for families or teams. Let's quickly cover the pros and cons of NordPass. Pros: user-friendly interface, strong security measures, affordable pricing plans. Cons: some advanced features only available in the premium version, limited features compared to some competitors. So, is NordPass right for you? If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use password manager, NordPass is definitely worth considering. Just weigh the pros and cons to see if it meets your specific needs. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and don't forget to check out the link to NordPass in the description below. Stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.